was out there welding and I catch the fringe on my trousers on fire. Burn all the way around quite rapidly. But the dilemma is, in order for me to have pants leg on the same length, is I'll have to set fire to this leg. Oh yeah, it's a big engine. Another project. But that's not what we have. A project right there too. And what I was thinking is this. I'm going to saw that fuel inlet pipe off right there. Well, what I was thinking is, well, it's a nice day out there. Well, I'm going to get out there and do something. But I thought I had some more metal cutting blades, you know? So that's the only one I have, and it's already been used 3 or 4 times. And I need to cut them pipes off, and I think it'll do the job. They're rusted. I don't want to save them or anything. It's demolition. Metal work. Metal cutting blade. But the question, I guess I could field the subscribers, you know, pass it on. But the question at hand is, should I get Vermont, what brand is that? American. Swiss made, it says on there. I don't know how many teeth it is, but it's in a Craftsman saw. It goes this way. I'm going to build a paint shaker to go on there. That's going to be a project on down the line. Not today, but the question is, do I need to get them DeWalt blades to use in this Sears Craftsman industrial recuperating saw? The question, in all sincerity, when I go down there to Lowe's, let's say they have multi-brands, anything to choose from. Harbor Freight's across the street down the ways a little bit there. Got a coupon, get something free, a flashlight that lasts is pretty darn good most of the time. But should I spend the extra money and get a, let's say a DeWalt, you know, a yellow one? Should I get a DeWalt blade to use in this Sears Craftsman saw? Would it function better and last longer, and I'll be more happy with it than if I went to Harbor Freight and got, say, 3 blades in a pack? They don't have no paint on them. They're not yellow and they're not pretty. Or should I stick with this Vermont American? It's a white blade. It's demolition grade. It had a big old poster there how good they was. And I've got no complaints with them. It's just it's time to buy new ones. That's all I'm going to say about that.